Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this. So this is the Pontiac Aztek custom, and this is the first time I'm having this casting. Maybe I'm not sure, maybe Hotwheels did this casting for the very first time, if I'm wrong. Okay, so this one comes under the modified series, and it looks blocky. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So this also, I think it was only one in the box, but I saw a lot of leftovers of this one. So I bought it because I just wanted to see how this one actually looks, in hand, specifically to show it to you guys, because so I'm literally buying more like 99% of the Hot Wheels only for videos. Only few, like the Bolide or Koenigsegg, most importantly Lamborghinis. Only these kind of things I usually get for my collection, or Nissan. Only specific models, not everything like this. Okay, let's get a closer look. Okay. The paint job has some issues. You can see some scratches here. The light actually moves here, and it is a bit blocky. It has this wide body kit actually. It does look nice even though it's blocky, and it has some detailing to it which is really nice. Let me see if I can put some light here. Okay, and so the headlights are painted. It has some grill details here, which is nice. Say 68. Is it actually 68th anniversary of Hot Wheels or 58? I'm not sure. I think 56. We didn't unbox that series recently. I really forgot about that. Okay. It looks really blocky. And the paint job is okay. So let's do a roll test, I guess. Okay, so the body is made of metal. So this, including the spoiler, the chassis is fully plastic. Let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't roll really well. No, it doesn't roll at all. Compared to the Groove Mobile, this is being a four wheel. Being it has four wheels, and it is supposed to roll, but I prefer Groove Mobile over this. It has a lot of wheel wobble. At least the Groove Mobile drifted, man. It really drifted very well. No, it doesn't roll really well. No. Okay, I didn't notice this actually. So it has rear view mirrors, which is really nice. So far, whatever castings we unboxed, none of them actually had rear view mirrors, but this one has. Added advantage, maybe. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.